In relation to the COVAX supply, the statement makes mention of communications from the manufacturers, being the Serum Institute of India and SK Bioscience. It also speaks to completing an agreement directly. Who will we be contracting with? Will we be contracting with AstraZeneca or with the manufacturers, or what?
I appreciate the fact that a hedge was done. Is there any likelihood that we will get more for the $10 plus US we are paying a dose?
The ongoing issue of persons who have been convicted, gang leaders and members who have been convicted, incarcerated, continue to run their criminal enterprises from behind bar. Of the target set under the program in terms of coverage. One, if there's a target, and two, where are we in reaching that target that was set for a rollout?
You have to accept and admit that even where the tools have been available, they have not been utilized, at least optimally and to the extent the very objective for their use have been clearly established.
We see contractors going out there, removing debris from potholes, filling in those potholes, but leaving the debris on the side of the road, which is a danger not only to the traveling public, but those walking on the streets also. And in many instances, where we should be getting 3 to 5 years, we end up getting less than a year before we even see potholes popping up in these roadways. It is going to be more than important at the testing and the approval of these sub-bases.
Reference was made to the MSME sector without saying, other than what we already know that has been announced in terms of measures taken to assist the sector, whether it be a credit arrangement or a care package, we have heard nothing in addition to anything that has already.
Minister of Health's vaccination program is rolled out. I'm just wondering whether the ministry has any plan to help business operators, especially those who have particular vulnerability to the type of restrictions that the public health crisis necessitates. They were living on savings, and the savings are depleted. And I believe that we're reaching crunch time for many businesses and many people in the country. And we haven't heard anything about any plan for trying to assist those persons, even through exhorting through the central bank and the financial sector some further leniency or accommodation.